Alright, hi, how you doing? It's your girl, Allie. I'm gonna be talking about, what I'm gonna be talking about? Actually, nothing. I'm gonna be talking about randomness today. So today is like the randomness video. So what is that? Alright, first on the randomness video, why is it always stuff that you find like on people? Like you be like, oh, what's that? And you be trying to pick it off of them, and they be like, oh, thank you. And then like you see something else, you be like, oh, thank you. Then they just look at you like, stop touching me. That's random. I don't know. What else am I talking about? I'm bored. Well, I'm talking about I'm bored. I'm bored. I need some entertainment. Cause the other day I was watching John Ollie. I was watching the yes, shout out to John Ollie. I was watching his what video? Cop blocking video. Oh, that's too funny. Cause like, you know, I don't know, but I be like having like bad days, and I was like, you know, let me just go watch a cop blocking video. And then like calms me down. I'll be having a good day after that, cause you know you be laughing. But see, when I tell other people about it, they just be like, what are you talking about? I'm like, well, I'm gonna need you to go on YouTube. I think I'm addicted to YouTube. I think I have like a YouTube-ism, you know. I'm addicted to Twitter, Facebook. Yes, and yes, I'm on Facebook. I'm on Twitter. I still have a MySpace. Who does MySpace? Anyway, yes, I have a MySpace. I rarely go on it, so yeah. If you want to get me, catch me on Twitter. What is my Twitter name? My Twitter name is Pastor Alizé. Yes, don't ask. And my Facebook name is Allie Feeling Good Bonner. Bonner is my last name, so you know, just keep that to yourself. You know, tell the whole world, oh my God, I know her last name. I can Google her. You know. But you know, I probably am on Google. You know, I haven't really Googled myself. But anyway, you know, I'm new to this making videos for YouTube. You know, when I had my old YouTube page, what was it? It was something. I really forgot the password, so you know, I guess, you know, I don't know. I mean, my other page is still there. I don't know, but the people that have subscribed to, they were my friends on my other page. So I was like, I have to find them. It took me a little while. Alpha Cat, I'm gonna get you, because it took me a while to find you, because I could not remember your name. I remember Cat, but I was like, what is the beginning of this dude's name? It's like, oh my God, because Alpha Cat, oh, his Obama videos, wonderful. Well, I'm gonna cut this video short. I'll see y'all next time. I wish I could do the thing like Daystorm. What's up, world? Daystorm cracks me up. But anyway, yeah, I'd like to shout out for all my Facebook friends and Twitter fans, and I ain't got no Twitter friends. Well, friends, whatever. So, alright, peace. I turn this thing off.